Welcome back to SG Riders. What if I told you there's a scooter that is super lightweight, easy to ride, and still one of the most fuel-efficient options in 2026? Yes, today we are talking about the TVS Scooty Pep Plus 2026 model. But the real question is it still worth buying in 2026, or is it outdated now? Make sure you watch this video till the end, because on SG Riders, we bring you complete and honest reviews. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to SG Riders for more amazing bike and scooter content. Design and styling update. Starting with the design, the TVS Scooty Pep Plus 2026 doesn't completely change its look, but it gets some fresh updates. TVS has introduced new vibrant colors and updated graphics, making it look more modern and stylish. It still keeps its compact and lightweight design, which is its biggest strength. Weighing around 93 kilograms, this scooter is extremely easy to handle, especially for beginners and daily city riders. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about performance. The TVS Scooty Pep Plus comes with an 87.8 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, designed for smooth and efficient riding. This scooter is not about speed, it's about comfort, control, and simplicity. You get smooth acceleration, low vibration, and a stress-free riding experience. For city traffic, it performs really well and feels very easy to ride. Mileage and efficiency. Now comes the biggest highlight: mileage. The TVS Scooty Pep Plus 2026 delivers around 60 to 65 kilometers per liter, which is excellent. With increasing fuel prices, this scooter helps you save a lot of money. That's why it's perfect for students and daily commuters. Features and technology. Even though it's a budget scooter, you still get some useful features. LED daytime running lights (DRLs). Side stand engine cutoff, safety feature. USB charging port, in updated variants. Simple analog speedometer. It may not have advanced features like Bluetooth or a digital display, but it focuses on practical daily use, comfort, and ride quality. On SG Riders, we always talk about real comfort, and this scooter delivers well in the city. Low seat height. Soft and comfortable seat. Lightweight handling. Riding in traffic is super easy, and parking is effortless. However, for long rides, it may not be the best option. Who should buy this scooter? The TVS Scooty Pep Plus 2026 is perfect for beginners learning to ride, students, daily commuters, riders who want a lightweight scooter. But if you want high speed or premium features, this scooter may not be for you. Price and value for money. Talking about price, this scooter falls into the budget-friendly category. In India, it is very affordable, while in Pakistan, the imported version may cost a bit higher. Still, considering its mileage and ease of use, it offers great value for money. Pros and cons. Pros: super lightweight, excellent mileage, easy to ride, affordable. Cons: low power, basic features, not for highways. Final verdict. So, should you buy the TVS Scooty Pep Plus 2026? On SG Riders, our honest answer is yes, if you want simplicity and efficiency. It's still one of the best scooters for daily city use, especially for beginners. But if you want speed, power, or modern tech, you should look at other options. So guys, that was the full review of the TVS Scooty Pep Plus 2026 on SG Riders. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to SG Riders for more updates. Comment below and tell us, would you buy this scooter in 2026 or not? See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and stay tuned with SG Riders.